Hello everyone, this is me on my Triumph Bobber. So it sounds so good. I had to do a motovlog with sounds while I'm riding, so you can I suppose truly appreciate how good this thing sounds. So let's squirt it a little bit. Plenty of torque there. So this bike has X pipe on it, no silencers pretty much. Sounds absolutely fantastic. The popping backfiring. Hope I could share that with you today. So the whole purpose I bought one of these is I love the look of it. I love the torque, I love the power, but most importantly I love the look. The riding is one for those who will appreciate. So it's lovely, it's cruises, great when it's cruising, no complaints whatsoever. It's very low in terms of this ride position, so you can't really take really fast turns on it. You'll be scraping the bottom, and it's long wheelbase, so it's not really designed for any of those things. My other bike is a Honda 5-blade, and that thing, as most people know, is a rocket. So the whole purpose I got one of these is to kind of sell the 5-blade. I'm getting a bit older, so I need something a bit more relaxing, and frankly, you know, if I'm doing the commute as well, combined with a bit of joy, I don't want my wrists to feel the pain. So that's the reason why I bought the Bobber in the first place. Had it for 2 years. Have you actually used it more than my 5-blade? But there's something about the 5-blade which obviously the Bobber will not have, is all the sharp turning agility and then the sheer excitement. This, on the other hand, this bike has got bags of character. Real herd turner, grabs a lot of attention. A lot of people stop me while I'm riding, unless in traffic and so on, wind down the windows and say, "Hey dude, nice bike." You don't get that when you're riding a 5-blade. Or would you get that if you're riding even a Ducati as much? So yeah, it's a lovely bike. It's got so many nice little bits on it. There's a couple of things I don't really like on it. One particularly is the handling in terms of the bouncy ride. In fact, it's quite trashy. So the rear shocks are not that very good. The OEM shocks are not that very good. The bumps, you feel them, and it doesn't handle very well either. So there is aftermarket shocks available. There's a reason why that is because the OEM one is so bad. Just to put it into perspective, I have a ADV 350, which is my daily use, and the shocks on that are so good and comfortable. Obviously the seat does help as well, but it's so good. It makes this bike look a little bit, well, not that good. Anyway, enough with the chit chat. Let's get some soundtrack on. I just need these folks to get out of the way a bit. So roads like this, speeds like this, yeah, the Bobber's fantastic. brakes on this is good. Got double disc at the front, Brembo. You hear the background with the pop in, yeah, that's what it is. That's what it's all about. I genuinely love the look of this. If I'm one day when I've had my fun on other bikes, I come back. You know, I definitely will come back to something like this. Third gear, low revs, and that's what I like about this bike. Alright brother, how you doing? And that's the difference between a high revving 4-cylinder bike to something like this, which has got just bags of torque. God's sake. Right, so I've watched the bike. So covered it. Today. Oh bro, that was a VTR SP.